Hi, hello. Good afternoon, guys. Hingi lang tayo ng testimony kay Ma'am Crizel. Ma'am, talk to Ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, bakit po nyo napili yung Masaito at the same time the house project?
Ayun, napili ko yung MPC Masaito Homes kasi sa lahat ng mga chinek kong as a mom, so dito ko nakita yung accessible siya sa lahat, and then maganda yung developer.
Okay.
Hindi lang yung itsura, at the same time yung quality ng houses nila here. And pinaka-importante sa lahat is affordable yung price.
Okay, thank you.
Yun,
Sige.
yun lang naman. And for the long run, yung house,
Oo, tapos,
na-prove naman nila na yung mga houses nila is maganda yung quality.
yun, okay guys, narinig niyo po yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Crizel. So, hoping kayo din maging part din ng aming community sa Itoms. Thank you, and yan po, family. Ayan si Bebe. Okay, salamat. Bye guys.